Here's I'm going to add on to what we had just finished, which was the first GUI that says my name is William, J text field, enter last name, save button. So I'm going to put another button inside of here, and this is going to be a clear button. So I'm going to put J button again. Don't have to import it because you imported it already. I'm going to call this the clear button equals new J button. And then inside of here, I'm going to put the words clear. And then I'm going to say add clear button. So that's going to appear on the screen, and I'll run it real quick so that you could see this. And here it is. You'll see you have the save button, the clear button, and you'll be able to type inside of here. What I want to do is show you how to make a button do something. And that's where this next piece comes in. So between adding it onto the screen, just convention here, what you do is you do clear button dot add action listener this. So what that's saying is this button is now active. So what I need to do up here is after JFrame, line number 8, where I declare the class, public class GUI1 extends JFrame. Now that I have an action listener, you need this. Implements action listener. Okay, and that's going to ask me to now import action listener. Now that gets rid of that message there. Now here's the thing. This is a whole nother method now. And this will be the third and final method inside of this. Now there's two ways to do this. We could have Eclipse make it for us. Add unimplemented methods. So right there, and it makes a method down here, action performed, action event E. So what happens is when I click on this button, clear button, it's going to go straight down here. And it's going to do all this, and I eliminate that just so it doesn't clutter the screen. So right here, when it goes down, you click on the button. Now, the way Java does this is that E collects whatever's inside the parentheses of clear and whatever in the parentheses right there. So save and clear. So I only made clear active, so I'm going to stick with clear, and the way you do this, so you make a variable, a string variable, string action, I'm going to say, action equals e.getActionCommand. So when I click on clear, it's going to go right here to e.getActionCommand and save as action. Then I'm going to write an if statement. If action dot equals exactly what's inside of that parentheses, and what's there is an all capital clear. And then what do I want it to do? I want it to clear away the typing that I do. Now the typing right here is in last name. And what I want last name to do is become empty. I don't want anything left inside of it. Now I have to change one minor thing. So notice I declared last name right here, J text field. That means it's only seen inside this method. I want it to be global. So what I'm going to do is above public static void, I'm going to say J text field last name. I declare it right up there, last name. And it's declared up there. I need to get rid of it down here. I can also declare it locally. So now last name is declared right here from the global. That means I can use it in any method. So this method down here in action perform, when that goes to clear, what I type is last name dot set text. What do I want the set text to? Well, I want to set it to, let's just put a random word here, the New York Knicks. So random sports team, not one word. and we put it in there. So when I hit this, I hit run, that button's active now. Clear is active. Enter in last name. So we will put in here Bulls. My name is William. There's the Bulls. And if I hit clear, it gets rid of that text field and puts New York Knicks. And that's how you make buttons active. Now save is not active, so it doesn't do anything. I haven't told it if it equals save to do anything. And that today is your little how to make a button active.